Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video comparing two amazing cameras that are perfect for content creators. We'll be looking at the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. So let's get started. Starting with the price, the Panasonic LUMIX G100 comes in at $749, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced at $999. Keep in mind that both cameras offer excellent features, so the price difference might influence your decision. When it comes to features, both cameras are top-notch. The LUMIX G100 captures life in crystal-clear 4K photo and video, while the Canon EOS R50 offers 4K uncropped movie capabilities. Additionally, these cameras provide advanced auto modes for beginners and manual modes for more experienced users. Both are versatile and compatible with different lenses to suit any adventure or creative endeavor. If you frequently use your camera for web calls, live streams, or interviews, both cameras have got you covered. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Canon EOS R50 can easily connect to your computer, ensuring crisp and professional-looking visuals during your online interactions. When it comes to video and image quality, these cameras shine. The LUMIX G100 offers advanced 360-degree sound recording and Vlog-L recording for professional-grade videos. The Canon EOS R50 provides dual-pixel CMOS AFE autofocus with deep learning technology, ensuring precise and quick focus tracking of people, animals, and vehicles. Both cameras deliver outstanding image and video results for your content creation needs. And that wraps up our comparison between the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras have their strengths and are excellent choices for content creators. Consider your specific requirements and budget when making your decision. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Until next time.